are brands that follow trends, and there are brands that define them. At JNF, everything begins in-house. Every line, every detail, every finish. Because true innovation comes from mastering the process. With rigorous quality control, we ensure precision you can trust, consistency you can rely on, quality you can feel. We apply PVD titanium finishes in-house. We develop our pivot systems internally, engineered from the ground up to meet the demands of contemporary architecture. We offer complete control, hydraulic pivots, free pivots, glass door solutions, always ready with permanent stock and a fast, reliable response. And beyond the product, we support every step of the installation with online installation videos. Through our training area, we share knowledge. With PivotLAB by JNF, we place intelligence in your hands, simplifying decisions, configuring possibilities, responding instantly.